Thanks so much, Kim. So much fun. Send your videos to theweathernetwork.com. You can check out more of Around the World in 60 Seconds on our website as well. I'm Emily Vukovic. It is Thursday. It is the 9th of October, and it is a cool start to the day. Kevin Yard forgot his gloves this morning, but Kevin, standing on Rattlesnake Point, I bet you wish you had them. Thanks, Kevin. What a gorgeous morning to do something like that with the blue sky. It's going to be a really nice day, unless you're in Barrie and Aurelia. And then you can actually see a few lake effect showers. But it's not going to be a total washout. We're looking at less than 10 millimeters. High pressure starts to move in through tonight and into tomorrow. We're going to see a mix of sun and cloud. And then into the weekend, not a bad forecast. Now, it is going to be quite cool because we still have those northwesterly winds, but conditions are clearing. So we are going to see some sunshine for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, into Monday, we do have a system approaching, so our temperatures are going to be warming up significantly, but it is going to be wet to round off the weekend. 13 degrees Friday through Sunday, lots of sunshine, great conditions to get out, and then wet and warm on Monday. Thanks so much, Jacqueline. For more science behind the weather, you can always head to our website, theweathernetwork.com. I'm Emily Vukovic. It's Thursday. It is the 9th of October, and it is that time of year again. Oktoberfest kicked off yesterday through Kitchener-Waterloo. Similar to what you're feeling today, we do have the risk of a few isolated showers through Barrie and Aurelia. We've got that trough sinking south. We've got northwesterly winds causing a little bit of lake effect. But then we do have high pressure moving firmly into place for Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. So we are going to be seeing some sunshine. So again, great to take the family to Kitchener-Waterloo for Oktoberfest, but bundle up because it will be cool. It is going to be a beautiful weekend in terms of conditions, but temperatures chilly. We're not going to see a warm up until the end of the weekend and into the holiday Monday, but we do have a system approaching. So even though it's going to be warm, it is going to be fairly wet. So 13 degrees for tomorrow, 13 for Saturday as well as on Sunday, and then Monday we bump up to 21, feeling closer to 25. And through Hamilton at 20, feeling like 24. Tuesday, 22, feeling like 26. So we're going to be very cool. We warm up, but we are going to stay fairly wet throughout the GTA right into the beginning of next week. Not a bad start to the morning in terms of our conditions. We do have lots of sunshine to go around, but temperatures are very cool. You are going to need to bundle significantly. Look at Orangeville, 3 degrees, 3 through Barrie, 4 in Newmarket, 5 in Oshawa. 6 through Toronto, 5 through Hamilton, but like I was mentioning, lots of sunshine. A little bit warmer to the east. We've got 8 through Kingston, 5 through Brockville, and warm to the south. Joining us, meteorologist Dr. Doug Gillum. Everybody wants to know what the rest of October has in store. We've got Thanksgiving weekend coming up. Not a bad forecast, but then what are we looking at beyond?
Well, overall, it's not winter yet. Well, it feels like Halloween into the weekend. We've actually got some mild weather on the way for next week, and the month as a whole, we still think will average out a little bit above seasonal before winter arrives.
Okay, see, that's good news. All right, so, oh, I don't love this. Okay, so warm to the south, cool to the north.
Right.
We are in the north, so we're cool for the weekend.
Right, and these temperatures aren't exceptionally cool, but it's still a few degrees below seasonal, and over the weekend, we're going to see some frost even into the GTA, not along the lake shore and not in downtown, but scattered frost Saturday morning, more widespread on Sunday. So a cool start to the long weekend, but then a nice pattern change as we go into next week. Temperatures are going to be 5 to 10 degrees warmer than what we've seen this week.
But it's going to be potentially active and wet.
It will be active and wet at times.
You got to have the good with the bad, right? You can't have both. Now, through Saturday, I know autumnal.
Just for you.
Just for me. That just means it's going to be below our seasonal average. A little bit on the cool side, but sunshine. Yeah,
a mixture of sun and clouds. Could still see a shower up near Georgian Bay, but overall, a nice day to get outside. And on Sunday, a frosty start to the day. And then with some sun in the morning, clouds will be on the increase during the afternoon, but we think the showers will hold off until the evening or overnight. Now, on Thanksgiving Day, not too bad. Breezy and milder. That's the key. We will see some showers on Thanksgiving Day, but most of the day will be rain-free. So not a pretty day, a lot of clouds, but it'll feel much nicer.
But it's still okay to get kicked out of the kitchen if someone's cooking and force people to get out of your house for a minute, right?
Right. Okay. And open up the window if it gets too hot with the cooking. On Tuesday, a lot of rain just to our west, and it's going to be a mild day just ahead of that rain. This rain comes through Tuesday night into Wednesday. All
right, and then we've got temperatures that will stay mild right to the middle of next week. Thanks so much, Kim. If you want to see more videos, head to our website, weathernetwork.com. I'm Emily Vukovic. It is Thursday. It is the 9th of October, and it is a very cool start to the day for many. Now, with these cool conditions and the conditions just being right for waterspouts, there was a potential waterspout, cool temperatures. Chance of a few isolated showers throughout Orillia and Barrie. Today, we're looking at about less than 10 millimeters, but for the most part, we are going to see a variable sky, mix of sun and cloud. Temperatures are going to be cool. And those conditions stick around for the next few days. So we've got a mix of sun and cloud for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even into Sunday. A little bit more sunshine over the weekend, so great conditions for getting out and checking out some of those fall leaves. We warm up significantly on Monday, but as you can see, we do have a system approaching that is going to be bringing us some wet weather. And it's going to linger into the beginning of next week. But look at these temperatures. Monday, 21, feeling like 25. Tuesday, 22, feeling like 26. But over the weekend, the days that we're going to be out and about, it's going to be cool, but at least it's going to be sunny. Thanks so much for that. Now, for all of your information, including your long-range forecast, stay right here because I'm going to have all those details coming up. I'm Emily Vukovic. It's Thursday. It is the 9th of October, and it is a cool start to the day. We've been joining Kevin Yard. He's enjoying the view at Rattlesnake Point in Milton, and we've been kind of talking about what you should be putting on this morning in terms of a jacket, maybe a sweater, possibly some gloves. We're going to check in with Kevin in just a few moments, but first, take a look at this. Waterspout or not a waterspout? Lake Huron, Georgian Bay, Erie, and Ontario. All right, we're now going to check in with Kevin Yard. How's the view from up there, Kevin? Gorgeous. Thanks so much, Kevin. Well, the next few days are going to be lovely for going out and checking out some of the fall colors. We've got high pressure moving in. Places like Barrie and Orillia could see some enhancement coming off the lake, so a few showers possible. But after that, we do have those northwesterly winds continuing. So temperatures are still going to stay cool, but we've got high pressure moving in. So we are going to be seeing some sunshine for Friday, Saturday, and even into Sunday. Things are looking pretty good. But on Monday, things are all going to change. We've got a system approaching from the south. It is going to warm up our temperature significantly, but it is going to bring us some wet weather. So we jump from 13 to 21, but we've got showers in and around the GTA. Hi there. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us on this Thursday. It is the 9th of October. I'm Emily Vukovic, and it is a chilly start to the day. These last couple of days have been fairly cool in the morning hours, but we've been seeing some sunshine. With that, some areas today, like Barrie and Orillia, you could pick up a few isolated showers with that trough and the lake effect. Now, we are going to see a clearing trend behind that trough, which is great news for much of southern Ontario. A lot of cloud cover and the system stays well to our north. High pressure stays firmly in place for tomorrow in through Saturday and Sunday. So a great weekend to head to Oktoberfest in Kitchener-Waterloo. That kicks off this weekend. It's going to be a great weekend for going for long walks through the trails. Just make sure you dress for it because it is going to be quite chilly. Now, temperatures do warm up, not until the beginning of next week, and that is when we see our next system approach. So we're going to go from 13 degrees for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But again, lots of sunshine, great for fall activities. Maybe take the family to Spring Ridge. They're open this weekend. Monday, we're looking at 21, but rain as that system develops. And even into next week, Monday, Tuesday, we stay above our seasonal average. We should be at about 15 for this time of year. So again, great weekend for Saturday and Sunday. Holiday Monday, however warm, it is a little wet.